They hold up cities, bridges, and towers, yet almost no one ever notices them. They don't shine, they don't move, but without them, everything would collapse. Built to endure storms, pressure, and time itself, these strands of metal are more powerful than they look. Every twist hides tension. Every thread carries weight, measured in tons. You've seen them everywhere, but have you ever wondered how much of the world depends on them? What kind of force can turn simple steel into something unbreakable? Today, you'll step closer to the unseen heroes of modern civilization, the steel cables that hold our world together. Our journey into steel cable production begins at the heart of industrial might, a modern steel mill. It all starts with raw materials, meticulously sourced and prepared, beginning with iron ore. Alongside iron ore, coke, derived from coal, and limestone are essential components in this foundation. These raw ingredients are then transported and carefully loaded into the colossal blast furnace. Inside, intense heat and chemical reactions begin their transformative work, turning raw materials into hours later. The furnace yields its first incredible product, molten iron, flowing like liquid. This white-hot liquid is a spectacle of raw power, carefully guided to the next stage of its transformation. Skilled American steelworkers, protected from the extreme heat, ensure every step is precise. As pure molten iron is collected, impurities, known as slag, are separated, ensuring a clean. From the blast furnace, the molten iron is transported to converters, where it will be refined into steel. Here, oxygen is blown through the molten metal, burning off impurities and forging the steel's strength. Our journey begins deep within the steel mill, where raw molten steel undergoes its crucial refining process. Precision is key, as alloys and refining agents are carefully introduced, enhancing the steel's properties. Once refined, the superheated liquid metal is transferred to the continuous caster's tundish, a vital step within the continuous casting machine. The molten steel begins to cool and solidify, forming a continuous strand. Guided by rollers and cooled by water sprays, the steel strand slowly takes its final rectangular, precise flame-cutting segments the continuous strand into uniform, glowing rectangular blocks. These newly formed billets, still radiating intense heat, are then picked up by powerful robotic arms for their next journey. Our journey begins as glowing hot billets are fed into the colossal rolling mill. The immense pressure of the first set of rollers begins to transform the raw steel. Through a series of carefully calibrated passes, the steel rapidly elongates and refines. Water jets cool the scorching metal, creating dramatic clouds of steam, controlling the material's properties. The steel, now a much thinner rod, moves with incredible speed through the final rolling stages. A skilled American operator monitors the advanced machinery, ensuring precision at every step. As the rods reach their desired diameter, they are guided into massive coiling machines. The continuous process sees the rods rapidly wound into gigantic, perfectly formed spools. These colossal spools represent the foundational material for countless industrial applications. Our journey begins in the bustling loading bay of a modern steel mill. These colossal coils, essential for cable production, are moved with precision. Each coil represents tons of raw material, carefully lifted and transferred. Positioning these heavy loads requires skill and coordination.
Copy that, coming off the hook.
With the load secured, the raw materials embark on the next phase of their journey. Our journey begins at the heart of innovation, where raw strength takes form. With precision and efficiency, the essential raw materials arrive. The heavy lifting begins, bringing the core of our cables into the facility. Each individual steel rod coil, carefully moved, represents a vital component. Every incoming coil undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the finest materials proceed. The journey of a robust steel cable begins with precision. Once prepared, the sharpened tip is carefully guided into the heart of the drawing process. The machine takes hold, beginning the transformation from rod to wire. With immense pressure, the rod emerges, noticeably transformed. This continuous process repeats through multiple stages, each die refining the diameter further. Each die is a crucial step, progressively reducing the steel's diameter. And with each pull, the steel grows longer, stronger, and smoother. Throughout this automated dance, skilled operators like Dave ensure everything runs flawlessly. The immense power required is evident in the synchronized movements of the machine's components. Lubrication is key, minimizing friction and controlling temperature during the intense drawing process. Finally, the continuously drawn wire is carefully spooled for the next stage of its journey. From a different perspective, the sheer length and continuous flow of the production line becomes clear. The constant hum and subtle vibrations are the symphony of efficiency. At the heart of the transformation lies the extraordinary strength of the tungsten carbide die itself. Human expertise and cutting-edge technology converge, ensuring consistent quality. The journey of steel wire begins with precision drawing. Through a series of specialized dies, the wire is systematically reduced in diameter. Crucial for friction reduction and cooling, a specialized lubricant bathes the process. Under immense pressure, the steel wire undergoes a transformative elongation and surface refinement. Each successive die progressively reduces the wire's diameter, gradually achieving the desired gauge. Skilled operators meticulously monitor the sophisticated machinery. Powerful capstans, or pulling wheels, provide the necessary force to draw the steel through each die. Constant cooling prevents heat buildup, preserving the steel's metallurgical properties. As it nears its final diameter, the wire is expertly wound onto take-up spools. Quality control is paramount, with every meter of wire meticulously checked for consistency. The result is a high-strength, perfectly drawn steel wire, ready for the next stage of cable production. At the heart of quality steel cable production, the pickling process meticulously prepares the wire for its transformation. Before purification, the raw steel wire often carries surface scale and impurities from the drawing process. Each massive spool is carefully guided into the precisely formulated acid bath, initiating the crucial. Within these specialized vats, acids meticulously strip away unwanted scale and impurities. Throughout this critical phase, dedicated chemical process technicians meticulously monitor and adjust parameters. Safety is paramount. The entire pickling line operates within a well-ventilated, meticulously maintained environment. Emerging from the acid bath, The steel wire is now visibly cleaner, its surface pristine and perfectly prepared. Our journey into superior protection begins with the meticulously prepared, clean steel wire. This pristine wire is precisely guided, ensuring optimal conditions for the next critical stage. Skilled American technicians meticulously monitor every parameter, guaranteeing precision. The moment of transformation arrives as the wire gently enters the scorching bath of molten zinc. At a blistering 450 degrees Celsius, the molten zinc shimmers, ready to bond with the steel. Deep within this fiery embrace, the steel wire is coated, atom by atom. Watch as the wire resurfaces, now dramatically transformed with a brilliant, uniform zinc. This dazzling, consistent layer is a testament to the hot-dip galvanization process's effectiveness. Quality assurance is paramount, with our team performing continuous visual inspections. Across the entire line, the seamless operation ensures every strand receives this superior corrosion resistance. Ready for its next challenge, the galvanized wire stands as a symbol of strength and durability. At the winding station, the journey of galvanized wire continues. It's meticulously guided onto smaller bobbins. Each turn precisely lays the foundation for future strength. Automation ensures seamless transitions. With precision, it removes the completed spool. And just as swiftly, an empty bobbin is positioned. The winding continues uninterrupted, a testament to modern efficiency. Our journey begins with the raw material, specialized galvanized steel wire. Skilled American operators carefully load multiple bobbins into the massive stranding machine. Each bobbin must be precisely positioned for optimal performance. This is the heart of the operation, a state-of-the-art planetary stranding machine. With all bobbins in place, the machine is prepared to begin its intricate dance. The powerful machine hums to life, its massive components slowly stirring. Individual galvanized wires feed from their bobbins, guided towards a central point. The bobbins begin their mesmerizing planetary rotation, revolving around a central axis. Watch closely as the separate wires converge, preparing to become one formidable strand. The intricate twisting process begins, transforming multiple wires into a cohesive unit. The machine operates at full capacity, continuously producing a robust steel. Operators remain vigilant, ensuring every stage of production meets rigorous quality standards. From countless individual wires, a single, strong steel strand emerges, ready for its next. The rhythmic hum of machinery fills the expansive, modern factory floor. This completed strand is a testament to precision engineering and advanced manufacturing. Understanding the very essence of a steel cable's performance begins with a critical feature known as its lay. But what exactly is lay, and why does it matter so much in the strength and durability of these vital components? The lay refers to the direction and angle at which the individual steel wires are twisted together to form a. The most common type is regular lay, where the wires in the strand twist in one direction and the strands themselves. In contrast, Langley sees both the wires within the strand and the strands themselves twisting in the same. Choosing the correct lay is paramount, as it directly impacts the cable's flexibility, resistance to abrasion. From the smallest lifting mechanism to grand structural supports, the lay dictates how our steel cables will. In the vast closing hall, the journey of individual strands culminates. Large spools of finished steel strands are carefully positioned, each ready for its crucial role. Each strand is meticulously threaded, ensuring flawless integration into the final cable structure. At the heart of every robust steel cable lies the independent wire rope core, providing essential strength. The IWRC is meticulously fed into the machine's heart, becoming the central anchor. With all components in place, the colossal closing machine roars to life, initiating the final. The machine's intricate dance twist in unison, forming a robust structure. From individual components, a unified, heavy-duty steel cable emerges, taking its final form. Constant vigilance is key. American workers ensure every parameter is perfect. The sheer scale of the closing machine underscores the monumental task of crafting these vital cables. Maintaining precise tension and consistent speed is paramount for cable in the moment of truth. Individual strands become one, creating the unyielding steel cable. Once formed, the massive steel cable is carefully wound onto colossal storage reels. Quality assurance is paramount. Every meter of cable undergoes rigorous scrutiny. The closing machine operates at peak efficiency, a testament to modern industrial power. A robust, reliable steel cable, ready for myriad applications. From raw wires to vital infrastructure, this powerful machine brings steel to life. As production progresses, the newly closed steel cable reaches a critical juncture. The high-pressure. Here, it enters the sophisticated system, where specialized grease is precisely applied. Inside, a specialized grease is forced deep into the cable's core, drastically reducing internal friction. And American technicians meticulously monitor the entire high-pressure lubrication sequence, ensuring emerging from the system, the steel cable now glistens with a uniform, protective layer of specialized grease. Quality control is paramount. Every inch is scrutinized to ensure flawless lubrication and coating. Fully protected and verified, the steel cable confidently moves along the finishing line, ready for its final application. Every steel cable undergoes rigorous inspection, beginning with precise sampling. To ensure integrity, a powerful hydraulic tool is essential for extracting samples. With a swift, controlled motion, the sample is precisely severed, ready for analysis. Each sample is critical, handled with care to preserve its structural integrity. The journey from production line to laboratory ensures every segment meets the highest standards. In the heart of quality control, every steel cable undergoes rigorous examination. Precision begins with the sample itself, carefully selected and measured. The critical moment of securing the steel cable for its ultimate test. Every parameter is meticulously checked before the test begins. A powerful grip, designed to hold without compromise. With a command, the immense force begins to build, slowly and steadily. Numbers climb steadily, quantifying the unseen stress on the material. Under immense force, the steel cable begins to yield, millimeter by millimeter. Every data point is crucial, charting the material's breaking point. The steel cable begins to show its true vulnerability, past its elastic limit. Each individual steel wire strand reaches its breaking point. The final numbers, soaring towards the point of catastrophic failure. A deafening crack signals the cable's ultimate surrender. The fractured ends tell the story of maximum stress and ultimate failure.
And fibrillation at the fracture surface. Here in the
From
lab,
precise testing, we ensure every steel cable meets the highest standards of safety and performance. In the heart of the factory, colossal spools stand ready to embrace their burden. The journey of the steel cable culminates in its precise winding. With each rotation, the spool grows, embodying immense strength. Operators meticulously oversee every millimeter of cable. The cable's intricate weave is a testament to engineering. The sheer size of the operation becomes increasingly apparent.
Incredible, right? The tension settings are perfect on this run.
This monumental task requires constant vigilance and skilled hands. A mesmerizing dance of steel and precision unfolds before our eyes. A testament to industrial might.
Excellent work. The winding is flawless.
The culmination of countless hours, ready for its purpose. This is where the strength of a nation's infrastructure is forged, one cable at a time. In the vast expanse of the modern factory, precision is paramount as the next stage of transport begins. With expert precision, the crane's hooks engage, securing the colossal weight of the finished product. Gravity's hold is overcome as the multi-ton spool begins its ascent, a testament to industrial power. Suspended high above, the heavy lift crane glides effortlessly, transporting its valuable cargo across. Approaching the shipping warehouse, the valuable shipment nears its final destination within the facility. With utmost care and control, the multi-ton spool is precisely guided to its designated. With its task complete, the crane retracts, leaving the securely placed spool ready for its onward journey to customer. After rigorous production, the finished steel cables await their journey. Every spool is a testament to precision and quality. The final checks ensure every product meets our high standards. Advanced logistics ensure swift and safe transport. Ready for delivery, our steel cables embark on their journey worldwide.